Hey ninjas, today we are creating sofa in Blender. First add a cube, scale it down to size of a cushion. Go to edit mode and add few loop cuts. Then all select and subdivide it. Click on physics tab and select cloth option. Click on the pressure value to 2. Press space to play and pause where you feel like cushion is looking like desired shape. I like this one better. Let's apply cloth modifier, add a subdivision modifier, value to 2, add array modifier on y-axis. Base of the sofa is done. Let's just duplicate this and move it backwards. Like this. Duplicate it again and remove array modifier. Go to edit mode and select half the vertices and create the bottom part of sofa. Duplicate the cushion again and remove array modifier. Rotate it and scale it down. Then place it here. Add a mirror modifier, select the bottom object. Go here and click on origin. Now adjust the origin of the object. Create a legs for the sofa and mirror it. Apply all the modifiers, then go to sculpt mode. Select cloth option and add some details in the cushion. And here you have created a sofa in Blender. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep improving.